morning, grade 6. Our lesson for today is about rules of subject-verb agreement. Class, in every complete sentence contains a subject and a verb. When writing a sentence, always make the verb agree with the subject. Use a singular form of the verb for a singular subject, and use a plural form of the verb for a plural subject. Example: the clock is above the cabinet. Mobile phones are very cheap nowadays. Rule number 2. Subjects that are connected by the word and usually take a plural verb. These are called compound subjects. However, if the compound subjects speak about the same thing or person, the verb is singular. Example: our lawyer and vice president is not around. The lawyer and the vice president are not around. Rule number 3. The subject pronouns you and I always take plural action verbs. Example: I like strawberry flavor. You inform your wife about the gathering tomorrow. Rule number 4. When either, or, and neither, nor are used to connect subjects, the verb agrees with the one closer to it. Example: either the workers or the manager receives the package. Neither the cameraman nor the actors understand the director's instructions. Rule number 5. The indefinite pronouns anybody, anyone, everybody, everyone, everything, no one, nothing, nobody, somebody, and someone are always singular and take singular verbs. Example: somebody takes the newspaper from the gate. Everyone uses a red pen to connect his or her partner's work. Rules number 6. Some nouns might look plural because they end in s, but they are singular in meaning. Therefore, they take singular verbs. Example: mathematics is my favorite subject. 2. The news features are stored today. Rule number 7. There are some nouns that are always plural in form in meaning, so they always take plural verbs. Example: my pants are torn. The scissors break easily. Rules number 8. Words that refer to time, weight, measurement, or amount of money are usually regarded as singular. Example: 30 minutes is a very long time to finish the short test. Number 2. 3 kilos of beef is needed to serve enough spaghetti for the guests. Rule number 9. Words placed between the subject and the verb do not affect the number of the subject. Example: Jose, together with his cohorts, asks the winner some questions. Number 2. The bracelets that were made by Gina are expensive. Rule number 10. An inverted sentence is a sentence in which the verb comes before the subject, like all sentences. The subject and verb of an inverted sentence should always agree. Example: down the streets live the man and his wife. Number 2, there goes my dream. Thank you very much, grade 6, for listening. See you again. God bless you.